Welcome back to the bench, everybody. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about gold tools. We have some hyper tough and we have some icon tools. So just wanted to pop these out of the boxes, kind of showcase these new hyper tough gold tools and show them up against the icons, and also just kind of talk about them a little bit. Now, this is an icon 1/4 inch ratchet, 24 karat gold plated. It says that on the box. Has a lifetime warranty. Where this hyper tough ratchet doesn't really have anything on the box that says anything about warranty, or if it's actually gold plated, if it's painted, if it's what it is. So it's interesting. This is $12. This, I believe, is $45. So you get a 3-in-1 ratchet, which is very cool. You have a 3/8, 1/2 inch, and 1/4 inch all in one ratchet. Makes it fun. This is what they're going for, guys. You know, this is not for necessarily usability. They even say that on the box, or in the description is actually where they say that. But it's your standard run-of-the-mill ratchet, but with 3 anvils all packed into one ratchet. Is it goofy? A little bit. Is it fun? Absolutely. So as far as the color, you know, this is definitely more of a bronze color than the gold from Harbor Freight, but that's all right. $12, you know, that's what you get. So as far as the 10mm gold socket set, this is kind of where things get a little bit more fun. These are also $12. So for these and this ratchet, it was a whopping $25 and some change. Not gonna lie, the box is pretty nice. It actually has magnets in here. If you wanted to keep the box, pretty nice. And then it kind of gives you your diagram of whatever your actual socket is in here. And then we have a fun little rail. Let's pop out of here. Fun little rail where we have our sockets. And in person, open box, the sockets are, you know, they're pretty nice. I'm not gonna say that they're great, but they're $12. So why are you guys, you know, even questioning? Who cares? I mean, they're $12 for these sockets. Now, to have a bunch of 10mm, especially in gold, for $12, even coming with their own little rail, pretty sweet, pretty fun stuff. The rail sucks. I'm not gonna lie, it's not great. It's got some plastic nubs here. It does its job, but over time, if you actually were to use this other than a backup set, you're gonna need to replace this rail. But the 10mm 1/4 inch sits on there. Comes off a little bit rough, and overall, I mean, you get what you pay for, guys. This is not something that it's not something that I'm like, oh yeah, you guys should go run out and buy this right now. But I mean, it's a pretty fun little set, especially to have 3 drives on a gold ratchet. So gold on gold, you know. And people say just go to Harbor Freight, get the gold ones from Harbor Freight. Sure, but you can get both of these sets for $25, where this ratchet alone is $45. The 40% off icon ratchet sale. These will be included because they're icon ratchets, so these are going to be 40% off. That's a pretty sweet pickup. So in that sense, these do come down a little bit, but still, I mean, you're getting a fun ratchet. This is not something that I do believe has a warranty. It doesn't say anything about the warranty on the website. I checked, and I really haven't even used this, and it already has some scuffs on it. But that's not the point. The point is, it's a fun ratchet. It's cool. It's gold. You know, what else could you ask for? It's got 3 drives on it, guys. 3. And now you have, you know, you got impact sockets. Like, how fun, you know, when we have something like this. I mean, come on. It's pretty cool. For $25, it's a fun little gift. And you don't have to buy both. You could just buy the sockets if you wanted to buy the sockets, and that's $12. You even got some wobbles. Pretty fun. Which this very well might save your butt in a situation where the 10mm goblin ends up, you know, snagging your 10 and it runs off on you. So having this is a very, very cool little set, and I would recommend that you go and pick this up. Maybe I'll wrench with these, but the actual ratcheting mechanisms on these are kind of crappy. But I will say something about these Hyper Toughs. Okay, they're going on eBay right now for both of these. They're going for $50 plus shipping. Okay, so people are buying these and flipping them right on eBay, and this was the last set when I went in there. So if you have a plan to get yourself one, I would run and get yourself one as soon as you can, because I don't see these things staying in the shelves long. I did see quite a bit of these ratchets. There was probably another 10 of them or so, but the socket sets, I mean, that's a banging deal right here. This is a banging deal. $12 for 10 millimeter sockets, and this looks like, if it is plated, it's like 10 karat. This is a really dirty bronze type of look. I mean, I love this thing. It's really cool. But yeah. So that being said, we're gonna kind of move these out of the way, and I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna see what's up with this thing. Let's do a little reveal here. Oh my goodness, that is hilarious. That is absolutely hilarious. So this is literally the same design of the Pittsburgh Ratchets, like almost to the T. That's wild. That's absolutely wild. Now look at that, guys. That is wild. This is a Pittsburgh, and this is the Hyper Tough. I mean, they're not even, they're identical. They're identical. So, here, you actually have your anvil. That should be able to drop right in there. No problemo. Look at this. The faceplate. I mean, look at the faceplate. That's the faceplate from the other one. It kind of feels like gravel. So, you know, I did switch the screws, but the faceplate stayed the same. So this has a little bit of protrusion out of this here. But it still feels good, and the only thing I'll have to actually question is if this will seat properly, and it will. Now, if you're applying force in a direction, doesn't feel the best. I mean, this does not feel good as far as the ratchet is concerned. But I did want to show that it's possible. So, you take this extendo ratchet, change the anvils out. Now you have an actual usable, or more usable, 3/8 gold ratchet from Hyper Tough, and you have a 1/2 inch, 3/8, and a 1/4. This guy. This comes in 3/8 and 1/4, but now it's 3/8 half. And if we could just negate the 1/4, this is a lot better of a ratchet than 3/8 and 1/4, because how big it is, how long it is. You can get so much more force. You don't really want to be applying that much force on a 1/4 inch drive. You're gonna break some stuff. But either way, you can do 3 now. You do have to use probably some deep wells here for this, but overall, pretty sweet. And yeah, that's You know, that's a shallow socket, and it's gonna have a problem. You can basically not be using shallows on this, but you can do that, and then I don't know. I mean, there's options with this thing, which is pretty funny. You can take a 10mm, stick her in there. So there's options. I don't know what you can come up with to use this for, but it's cool nonetheless. It's fun, and that's about it. That's all I really got for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment. Tell me what you thought. You know, like, subscribe, do all those things. Join the Discord community, and if you want to support us, there's a Patreon that you can come support us. We're gonna have more things going up on Patreon, but ultimately, you know, we're just a small channel starting out, so really would love to be doing some more giveaways going forward. Definitely need the funding to do that, and all the money and all the proceeds that this channel makes is going to go back into the channel and give them back out to you guys. So that's why I'm so excited about this channel, and I hope you guys can hop on the ride and enjoy some giveaways from us. You know, we already did our first one, but there are more to come for sure. We have no monetization yet. All right, so the best thing you can do is just keep watching the videos, keep supporting the channel, liking, you know, subscribing, share and tell your friends about us, and we'll go from there. You know, we'll get monetized one day and be able to do some crazy giveaways. It'll be really fun. So thank you all for watching, and briefcase out.